Alright guys, today's lesson is still regarding radicals, but simply simplifying radicals. Okay? So we've got a radical right in front of us, and this process for this to simplify this radical, it's going to be the same process for all of the exercises we'll be looking at. Okay? So the first thing I need to do, okay, is to break this entire expression into prime factors and nothing but prime factors. Okay? Now, some of you guys will pick this up fast, which is great, but for the sake of learning and teaching others, we're going to always do it the same way. We'll probably be here for maybe one full day, anyways. Okay? So, I need the prime factors for this expression. Now 128, okay, this is a little side work. I know is, looks like 4 goes into that, right? 32 times. And both of these can be broken down. This one is 2 times 2. This one is 2 times 16. Okay. So this one's done. These are prime factors. And 16 is, where is it? 2 times 8, which is 2 times 2 times 2. Okay? So basically we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 2's. Right? These are the prime factors. And as far as the variables, these are very easy. There's 4m, so each. Give me a second here. Okay. Each one of these will be broken up into, I'll put in the radical. Okay. It's going to be broken up into individual m's. So now we have 7. Okay. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Okay. 2, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And I'll multiply them here real quick. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So I'm good. M. Okay. If you multiply m times m times n times m, you get m to the 4th. Okay. Let me slide this over. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for n's, and then p's 3. Okay. So again, this is meant for you to learn it if you struggle with simplifying, but if you're good at this, this is how you would teach it to somebody who's struggling. Okay, so it benefits all of us. Now, what we understand is this is a square root, which means, right, it's not a cube root, it's a square root. We're going to be dealing with square roots. So then every pair is going to come out of here. Okay, so I'm going to circle every pair. Okay, so this is 2 times 2, which is 4. Square root of 4 would be a 2 that comes out. Same thing here, same thing there. This one doesn't have a pair, so he's going to stay in. Okay, let me circle the other pairs. Right. And P and P. Okay, these guys will stay by themselves. So what I have now, all these pairs, you get one of these factors comes out up front. Okay, so we're gonna have 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, which is this one, and this one. All right, this one's going to stay inside. Right, I have to include the 7, and maybe I should include it up in the front. Okay, and he's left. All right, so I'll come back to him. I've got to deal with this m out of this pair, right? M squared, the square root of m squared is m. Same thing, this one, and m here, n out of here, n. He stays by himself. Here's another pair. Notice I only took out of this, right? The square root of p squared is just p, so that comes out, and he stays in. Okay. So now we have inside leftover. Whoops. We have a 2. No extra m's. I have an n and have an extra p. Okay. So then to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and just simplify one last step. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 7 is 56. This is m times m, which is m squared, n squared, p, square root of 2, and p. Okay. So they're designed to be difficult so that you can really master this ability to simplify radicals. All right, appreciate your time, guys.